Oh, what do we have here? How to get banned from Spirit Airlines. If you get banned from Spirit Airlines, you have hit rock bottom.
Is she being denied boarding?
Yes.
Okay. So is she already on the plane?
She just ran. She's not boarded. I didn't board her.
Is she on the jet bridge or is she on the plane?
Somewhere over there with the supervisor.
Spirit Airlines always has the best fucking customers. RIP to Spirit.
Over there? Another day.
So towards the boarding, she just kind of ran past everybody and, it's a security breach.
She's being denied?
Correct, yeah. We got
all the way until the aircraft. Yes,
so once I told her, that she's very upset wearing a purple shirt, we'll give her a refund.
Hey, dear. Ma'am? Hey, can we go up there and talk, please, so we can...
No, I cannot. I want my bag off this plane.
9-2, can I get an airside?
I need my bag. You didn't let me board. You're not going to give me a refund. You're not going to send me out.
We are.
We're going to give you a refund. I'm going to give you a refund. I'm going to give you a refund.
Can we go up there and talk at the counter so they can work on the computer to get you a refund? Man, we have to clear this jet bridge so they can take off.
So,
She don't give a damn.
What's going on right now? This jet bridge.
He was in a body cam before, wasn't he, guys? Which body cam was he in?
Are you guys in control of it? Or is
A-Tran.
it's still federal.
That's a fucking awesome name. His name is Officer A-Tran.
But as of right now,
Oh my God.
Okay.
What is this officer's name? Oh God.
Do you guys want to press charges for trespass after warrant?
I gotta spit,
I
y'all.
don't think Spirit would want to do that. She breached the jet bridge without scanning. She ran right.
Oh, so she didn't scan.
No,
She's not standing
right now
on
she's
We're not
already
even sure
trespassed.
that this is
Yeah.
Alright, ma'am, can you fill me in on what's going on?
I'm ready to get on the plane. She gonna tell me I can't get on the plane. I've been sitting there all day long.
Okay.
I do not want to go back on no other plane. I gotta be up at 12:20 in the morning.
Do you have an ID on you? Because they're not even sure if you are who you say you are. Do you have ID on you?
All I have is a passport.
A passport is fine. Can I see your passport?
You guys can't take off until this is clear, right?
Correct. We cannot disconnect the jet bridge with her in here because she could get injured.
So the reason why this is coming about is because they said you came and went past them onto the jet bridge without showing your ticket.
It's a lie. I think they know what I got if I didn't show my ticket.
Okay.
She didn't even see my ticket.
Okay.
That young lady right there.
They're willing to take care of you, but you can't stay here. Because right now you haven't committed a crime technically. We're not involved yet. I don't want us to become involved because now if we become involved, that means
Giving me a refund money is not on the same day. It's not going to give me back to
the manager just told you. Did you just not tell her that you would try to book up another flight, or am I?
Not today.
Not
Based
today,
on the
okay.
circumstances, not
Okay.
today. But we will give her a refund so she can look at other airlines.
I have to go to work and sweat, please.
So here's the
How the fuck did you get kicked off the airplane anyway, though?
thing. Like I said, I don't want you to end up being banned from the airport.
I'm trying to tell her that I'll refund her myself. I don't want her to have to go through another bigger process and then have more problems.
All right, let's get her taken care of.
I'm gonna refund her.
Okay.
But you're gonna refund her here, right?
So they already did the refund. So if you want, we can go ahead and ask.
That's fine.
We can go ahead and make that.
I was supposed to do because they secured my body and I stuck out.
No, but that's not the only option. You have other options.
No, I don't, because you just gave me a refund. It's going to take 3 to 5 days. All I have is $200 cash. I cannot find a last minute flight to get back to Dallas.
I ain't gonna lie to you. If you traveling, you should always have emergency money. And I know this is probably wrong, but this is how I live my life. If I don't have at least $1,500 or more in emergency expenses for shit like this to happen, I'm not going nowhere. That's just how I operate. If I don't have at least $1,500 to $3,000 of emergency funds to where shit like this happens, I get kicked off a flight, which I've never gotten kicked off a flight, fingers crossed, and I pray that I never do in my lifetime. You can allocate for stuff like this, but when you struggling and you barely get by, like, you don't need to be flying. I don't give a fuck for what it is.
Okay, well, take me to jail. They secure my safety
Wait. Why you want to go to jail?
and secure my body. This is the only way I can feel safe. I don't know nothing about your state. I don't know how to get back home.
So going to jail is like the only option?
She wants to what? She wants to go to jail. She's refusing to leave. And I explained.
And this is what I'm not.
What, now you have to worry about a bond. How are you going to get out with a bond?
I'm gonna get
Listen,
out.
hold on.
I was secure my safety. I'm gonna stay by myself that I don't know nothing about.
Ma'am, we're right here. Just talk to us right here. You don't have to yell. Well, as of right now, they are refunding your money. Okay?
It don't go
Can
back
you
on the
stop for a
store.
second?
Instant.
Can you stop for a second? All we have to do is go back to the land.
Daddy, I'd rather go to jail at her because this is crazy. I don't got nowhere to go and they keeping me in here.
Just leave.
I found a Greyhound bus. That's still 500 something damn dollars.
Greyhound $500? Where the fuck is you coming from?
Everything $500.
Can I talk to him for you?
That's why I told them to do the rest of me. They told me it's different options. No, it's not. I'm in the States by myself and I don't know where I'm at.
Can I speak to him? Is it okay?
The emergency number, that's 911.
Yes, I need the police.
They're right there. I don't. Am I missing something? Chat.
This is the police.
we are
Can I
the
talk-
police.
Can I
Why
talk
did
to
you
him?
not? But you're not taking me to jail because I'm in the state that I don't know where to go. And I'm telling you to take me to jail and you're not listening.
We're trying to.
This is. I would have been really confused as the officer. Like, what? You want to go to jail? Okay.
I'm by myself.
Ma'am, we are the police. Please do not call the police again. Okay?
Can you just gather your stuff and we'll go ahead and walk to the main terminal? I'll talk
I'm not moving nowhere. I'm not moving. I don't have enough
She definitely from Dallas because everybody from Dallas talk like they from St. Louis right there, over there. I'm not going over there.
money. All I got is $200 cash and everything is $500 and up. My refund is coming 3 or 5 business days. You took my computer. You took my belongings already.
Give me hands. Give me hands. Give me your hands.
You don't have to do all that.
Stop resisting.
I'll grab my own.
Stop resisting. Give me your
I'm
arm.
not resisting.
Give me your
Please.
arm. Give me your arm.
Let me go and I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna put
me
it
your
on.
arm.
Hey, I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on.
God damn it. Don't you bite me.
Ugh. God dang it.
Don't you bite me.
Cause you sitting up and grabbing me.
Don't you bite me.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm grabbing me. I'm Daddy.
Until we are done, do not move. Sit on your butt. Sit on your butt. On your butt.
Hey, I'm going to.
On your butt.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
I'm not even resisting. You don't gotta do all of that. All you have to do, Sarah, ask me. Can you put your hands behind your back?
Take your legs out.
All I asked them, they just take me to jail, and they just did all this for nothing. So it can make it seem.
They didn't do it for nothing because you was telling them people you wanted to go to jail. Don't be sitting there lying.
And you're being recorded by people too.
I'm being recorded by my body camera.
Okay, so
several times to leave.
all I asked you to take me to jail. I can't go. I don't go nowhere.
Avoid it all.
All you have to do, did I ask you I want to go to jail? I said, I can put my hands behind my
If you
back.
wanted to go to jail, why were you resisting?
I didn't resist. You just did all that for nothing. You could say, ma'am. I said, ma'am, do you know what you just did? You slashed
It's on
my
our
face.
body cam.
Okay, thank you.
I gotta check my leg. She bit me pretty good.
Because you should not put your hands on nobody and like that. When you could have just said, ma'am, can you put your hands behind your back? And then if I said, no, I didn't want to do that, that would have been the resistance rate.
Welcome to Florida.
That's
Welcome to Florida.
That's how y'all do
That's
it.
not.
That you can't tell these people how to do their job because that's our ass backwards. I wouldn't even go with no shit like that.
How we do that down
Okay,
here.
but why you didn't say?
This is how we do it. Why she do her eye like that? Don't be. She already look cross-eyed now. Come on, you can't be making them faces.
I'm not being a this in the rest. You know
Where does she bite you at? Why are you biting my officer?
because he grabbed my face and messed it down, officer.
So you board a plane without a ticket. Let me finish.
Hold on. How the fuck do you even do that? Listen to what he just said, y'all.
Where does she bite you at?
Listen to what the officer just said.
My officer.
Because he grabbed my face and messed it down, officer.
So you board a plane without a ticket.
Wait. He said what?
Because he grabbed my face and messed it down, officer.
So you board a plane without a ticket. Let me finish. You board a plane without a ticket. It causes all this chaos. These officers come out here.
Hold on, she didn't even have a ticket, but how did she not buy a ticket if they talk about they gonna refund her?
Polite, professional, courteous, and then you turn around and bite with this officer when he's out here trying to be professional with you. Not making sense, ma'am.
How things have escalated, I do need to inform her everyone's not okay with it, but now she will be.
Yeah, you hit rock bottom when you get banned from Spirit, because they not even a company no more. So does that mean the ban is lifted?
Yeah, you can talk from here, it's fine. You can tell right here and just let her know.
With everything that's happened after we gave you the refund with the officers, I just need to let you know that you will be going on the Spirit.
she just got me
Airlines
the
no
card.
flights. So you will not be able to fly with Spirit Airlines ever again.
Thank you.
Well, you definitely gonna have to spend $500 now, and that's just gonna be for a one way. Cause Southwest Hobby, they be taxing now, and IAH. Cause that's where you go. You going out of Dallas Love Field, so yeah, they do Southwest out there, baby.
Ready?
All right, ma'am. Stand up, ma'am.
No, she won't walk. She said she's gonna walk. If she don't walk, I'm gonna spray her.
Is that
Do
mine?
not. Let's go that
I'm
way.
not really existing. I'm asking what's in my stove. Did he?
We're gonna go this way.
Well, you got your wish. You wanted to go to jail. That's where you going.
You got a lot of questions when he breaks the law.
Asking, is that my brown bag? Did he get my stuff out of me?
So what made you think you could board the plane without a ticket?
I got a ticket.
How come
It's
you
in
didn't, how
there.
come you didn't scan your ticket?
I scanned it.
Are you on the
lady
camera?
with the curly hair.
Well, really, you're on the camera, not scanning your ticket.
That's nothing.
Well, let's go.
I will walk. You don't have to.
How the fuck did she get in through TSA without a ticket?
Hold you. It's per policy. You have to hold you. We control you.
Can you loosen my arm?
I've walked this airport 1,000 times as a kid. I probably went in this airport so many times when they was fixing on it, when they was adding levels to it. I was traveling in this airport from early 90s up until about 2012, 2013.
I'm a man.
I know this airport like the back of my hand.
Is that okay?
I'll do what you say.
Okay, good. Okay, straight this way.
I tried to do leave. Doesn't matter. You're an adult. You figure
But
it out.
this is not. I don't know this. I'm not talking about this airport. I meant in Dallas Airport. This is Florida.
Don't
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. This lady had it in her mind that she wanted to go to jail, and she did everything in her power to go. So she got her wish granted. Now she got to come off more money than what it would cost to just get a hotel, and I don't know. Like, if anything, you could have had credit cards, Affirm, Afterpay. They got all these different websites, Klarna, where they'll let you, you know what I'm saying, get shit on credit. So I don't know what the fuck she was thinking. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. If you're watching this, I'm probably passed out drunk right now on a boat in a different country. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Love you. See you later. And that's it, baby. We out.